I've always found it fascinating moving around millions or thousands of points at any given time on a screen, and I've had difficulty in reproducing the effect that you see in front of you right now. What you can see, if I zoom out, I have 1 million points sitting on the screen currently. And if I zoom in, you can see the effects being changed. Now, I saw this on another YouTube video recently talking about the Barnes Hut experiment. Hopefully I can put that into the link into the description. So I have over here on the right hand side a GUI which will allow me to control the area of effect and the colors and the motions and everything that I like. So what happens with the Barnes Hut algorithm is that it's only thinking about what is locally happening based on the area that you can affect. The rest of it is being ignored. And that's my very cursory understanding of the whole thing, but it seems very logical that if you're just applying the algorithm to the local area, you don't have to think about the rest of it, and it makes the computation a lot easier and a lot simpler. So for the rest of this video, it's basically just going to be me moving around the mouse on the screen in different ways and demoing its effects for us to have a look at. So it could be run smoother, I guess. Right now I really just like what's happening, especially on the small scale. But I think that we get a lot more interest when it's done on the larger scale. So I can adjust the point size too, so make it a bit more blurry. And you can see it's moving it all around like that. Sorry, that's a train passing by in my local, just outside the door. So you can't see, okay. Right, yeah, so let's say color speed. I like that. And the trail amount. Very cool. And we can even increase the points up to say 2 million or more. It begins to get pretty laggy around 4 million. So that's still only dealing with, let's say, all the points in the local area, probably about half the actual screen's worth, but that's still an awful lot of points to be dealing with at any given time and calculating all these different trajectories and movements. And you can even see the lag effect occurring as we go by. So I love this. This is, I find this completely fascinating. I have to make another few apps just based on this alone. So let's say increase the force strength. So more things, and can we increase the area? I should have something in there for increasing the area. The dampening effect. Oh, maybe let's make it really dull. Okay, and if we increase it up a lot. Okay, so can I increase my area? Color speed, no, zoom, level. I have to increase the area which I have interaction. There we go. So it should get pretty laggy if I actually just try and do all of the millions of points at any given go. But I think if you had to have a game, a small ship, for example, flowing through this entire area, and have the physics just based on your own local area, it would be pretty cool. Yeah, so Barnes Hut experiment, or algorithm, sorry. And yeah, I find it very fascinating and beautiful. So give it a go. Okay, bye everybody.